Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2013 Mini Cooper. This car comes with a 1.6 petrol engine, which is Euro 6 compliant and has the automatic gearbox, returning up to 44 miles per gallon. The car comes with good service history and has covered just 32,000 miles, so very low for the age. This particular colour is called Kite Blue, which I've never seen before, but does look really nice. As we have a look inside, this car comes with over £5,000 worth of factory options. So a few that I can list to you is, first of all, you've got the nice half leather seats there with the cream sections. The car also has Bluetooth, climate control, the multi-function steering wheel there with automatic headlights and wipers. But overall, you've got the nice clean interior. And as we open the tailgate on the Mini, you see you've got the split folding rear seats there and the parcel shelf is still in place. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights, which were the factory options, as well as the twin spoke alloy wheels, which are 16-inch, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty, which you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 9.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.